Red Hook is a neighborhood in northwestern Brooklyn, a prosperous shipping and port area in the early 20th century. The area declined in the later part of the century. Today, it's a home to the Red Hook Houses, the largest NYCHA housing project in Brooklyn. This is where our site is located. NYCHA has many problems of its own. For example, elevators are chronically out, heat and hot water disappear for days or weeks, mold infection and the toxic lead have spurred lawsuit and a federal monitor. Not only is the problem with the NYCHA housing, the external environment should be used as a parking lot, green spaces, and infrastructure has always been underutilized. Our project is a transformation by utilizing these existing urban interior spaces. More specifically, our proposal is a renewal plan to improve the sustainability and reliability of NYCHA housing by adding private balconies, increasing the density of living spaces, and changing the infrastructure plan. This proposal mainly attempts to regenerate its potential by two interiority qualities: thick and pressurized. We extruded the original roof by 2 floors up in order to increase the number of occupants. The goal was to create a space that the height and thickness echoed newly designed balcony spaces. The concept of the additional balcony is from the reflection of the pandemic, wherein having private access to outdoor was a massive benefit to the quality of life in New York. Most NYCHA residents don't have the direct access to outdoor spaces from their units. The addition of balcony on both sides of the street creates a pressurized feeling and ensures that the sidewalk and the interior of the homes gets plenty of sunlight and ventilation. The size of the balconies gets progressively larger as the floor increases. When walking on the sidewalk, this pressurized feeling changes the experience of the street space without interfering the traffic. Continue along this path. A huge cantilever structure will be presented to you. With the addition of new balconies on both sides, the structure gradually merges eventually into a perpendicular hollow cantilever. This extrusion creates a huge space that ensures sunlight for the occupants on both sides, and it creates a sense of thick interior quality. In the area of space object, the two buildings are placed in the symmetrical massing. This shape is the prototype of the massing space from adjacent balconies. This addition will be used for the new infrastructure planning. Moreover, the two buildings and the middle addition are linked together by a span of passage. This combination creates an open platform as a green spaces through the pressurized spatial experience. The pedestrian walkway on both sides interact within the vertical side of the addition and the slope angle of the balcony, reinforcing the sense of pressurized in the space.